County government of Nairobi for the last 1.5 years.
Yes.
PSC katika contract yao waliwapatia 3 years contract.
Yes.
Hawa watu watajamaliza 1 year contract. Hawajai enda leave. Sasa ndio hawa wamekuwa wakifanya kazi for 7 months without salaries. Na Governor Sakaja amekuja aka terminate contract zao illegally and prematurely. Yeye sio mwenye alipeana hizo contract. Yeye sio mwenye aliandika hawa watu kazi. Yeye aliwapata katika kazi. Baadhi yao walimpigia yeye kura. Akakuja. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko hapa kumsifu President William Samoei Ruto. William Samoei Ruto. This is 700 lives that have been destroyed technically by the governor of Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja, just in a bid to have his own dubious political recruitment exercise against these officers. President William Ruto, this is a national security threat. This is a national security concern. We are asking your office with the stakeholders that we have approached. We have approached stakeholders in the National Security Council. Please, President William Ruto, be advised that these officers is a security threat to the residents of Nairobi. They have been working for this county for the last 1 year. They know all the holes and loopholes of Nairobi City County. We don't want to foresee a situation of national security concern that our officers are going to undergo. Please rein into this matter. Revoke those appointments issued by Governor Johnson Sakaja and his MCS to recruit their own people in their own positions. Kindly, President Ruto, we are still on you. Kindly revoke, inject, and caution those appointments to replace these diligent officers that have been serving for the county government of Nairobi. Public Service Commission. Public Service Commission. You are the superior board in the entire nation. Any other board that acts inconsistent with your views to conform rules that are not in existence, to that extent of considered penal and void. We are asking Public Service Commission to rein into this matter because you are the people who recruited, who interviewed, and who deployed these diligent officers. They have been working, but the governor has decided to terminate their contracts illegally and prematurely against the advert that they applied. So we are requesting you, Public Service Commission, to rein into this matter and save these 700 lives that have been destroyed by the current governor of Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja. Our askari walipwe mshahara yao ya miezi 7 plus gratuity plus leave allowance. Wengine wao house allowance yenye walikuwa wanapewa sio ile yenye kwa contract letter. These officers have been conned each 1,000 per month for the last 1 year. They have been working their house allowance. Please, relevant authorities, rein in and save the lives of these askaris. Yangu ni hayo, na niko na matakwa, sio sisi askari peke yetu. Kuna wale wenzetu wa NMS wenye waliandikwa na PSC 3 categories: clerical officers, kuna drivers, kuna ambulance, wale paramedics, ambulance support staff, na kuna wenzetu huko city mortuary morticians wamekuwa wakifanya kazi for the county government of Nairobi for almost 1 year. Hawajaya absorbiwa, wana depend kwa handouts za corps maintenance allowance from clients. So hao pia hawajalipwa mshahara wa miezi 3. Sisi askari yetu imekuwa miezi 7. Kwa hivyo tunaitisha the county government of Nairobi structure, kindly pay these officers their deserved salaries, and we are giving you a time frame that will be agreed upon by your own protocol officers here, such that when that salary is not paid by that time, we shall be here with our families, with our children, with our landlords, and our grandmothers. Tutakuwa nao hapa na watakuja kusaidiana sisi kwa maandamano. Tutalala hapa mpaka hiyo pesa ilipwe. Kwa hayo machache nita invite wenzangu. We have two people comrades. Kuna cadet mmoja ataongea on behalf of cadets na kuna wile ataongea on behalf of constables. Myself is Wabuyabo Alex Fedran. I'm the president of the entire force.
Officers power! Power! Officers power! Power! Nimeona Vincent Mboya. Vincent Mboya, peleka hii kitu live. Nimeona uko hapa na wewe ni digital creator hapa na vijana wanaumia. Sakaja amefuta 700 officers. Kwa hivyo kwa hayo machache, Vincent Mboya, peleka hii kitu online. So I have this to address. Johnson Sakaja, how do you fire 700 young officers and you call them that they have retired? How? How do you retire at the age of 30? How? You assured us. Ulisema serikali ni ya mahasla, serikali ni ya vijana. Hadi sasa vijana wameretire, tunataka kutuletea fertilizer na tukalime aje? So that's what you want to say. Tunataka tulipe pesa yetu ya 7 months. Constables wenye wako hapa wakuwe absorbed directly and immediately. Hakuna mambo waambie mtu reapply arudi training. How? Do you have money to go and train these 700 officers again? How? So we need our money, we need our dues, we need our salary. We are not going to get tired. Tutakuja hapa na Punda amechoka. Punda amechoka. Officers power! Officers power! We want our 700 officers paid immediately. If you have sacked us, there's no problem. Ruto tumekuwa sacked. Wanaume wamenyimwa conjugal rights juu hawana salary. 7 months. Our women, our ladies cannot perform their duties well, they are stressed and starving. So, tafadhali Sakaja, hatutaki siasa na hatutaki PR. Tumechoka na PR, umetufuta, tumeenda. Tulipe pesa yetu. Ndio tunataka. Where you can hire your goons. We have no problem. It's political. But the Lord, vile Mungu alituandika, atatuandika. Na Mungu halali. Hii machozi ya watu 700, it won't go in vain. Officers power! Officers power! Officers msilale. Lale, msilale. Bado mapambano. Bado mapambano.